back in about 2010, 2011, I believe it might have been both years, Taco Bell did something very interesting. It was March, and it was Lent, so that means shrimp or fish, right? And they came out with their Pacific Shrimp Taco first. This came out the year before. They added the burrito later, but this is amazing. Let's just make Taco Bell's Pacific Island soft taco. Pacific Island. Pacific. Just Pacific. I knew I was going to say that. Pacific Shrimp Taco and Burrito. One of the really fun items of these Pacific Shrimp Tacos and the Burrito is the Fiesta Salsa. Yes, it's pico de gallo without the jalapenos. Because flavor. No, can't have that. So what we have here is basically equal parts onion, this is white onion diced up really small, Roma tomato diced up really small, and some cilantro, which is a little bit less than that. Those are the three main ingredients of this. They're going into a bowl here. This isn't hard to make. Just dice these up, you know, make it pretty. You want everything to be uniform, it's important. In this it really is. How you cut this makes a difference. I think I did a video on how to cut stuff like this. Pretty sure it's in here somewhere. If it isn't, somebody leave me a comment and I'll do that video. Or I can check. Either way. We have a little bit of salt because that brings out the flavors, and a squeeze of lime juice to activate everything. So this is just a little wedge of lime. How much is really going in here? Maybe a teaspoon. If you're lucky, half a teaspoon. This isn't a ton. So there we go. And basically just give this a stir. Mix it up really well. All right, there's Taco Bell's Fiesta Salsa. Could not really be any easier. Just put this in the fridge, put a little plastic wrap over it. It'll stay a couple of days. Put it in an airtight container, Tupperware, something like that if you really want to. But it's going in this bowl because I'm shooting videos and it has to look fancy. You're welcome. If we're going to be making the grilled Pacific shrimp for the shrimp tacos and burrito, we are going to need the marinade with it. I have everything we need here. I have a flavor seasoning packet here that will absolutely blow your doors off. Right there. That's everything. That's the stuff. You need that to go in this. It's important. That's going in first. So we have 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Could you use other oil? Sure. I have olive oil. So 2 tablespoons of olive oil in with that. We have some garlic right here. You want to make sure you get the liquid and everything, but we got about a teaspoon of that going in here. This is the lime juice. Lime juice is a very important flavor for this because it's shrimp. Okay, we have about a quarter of a lime. I'm squeezing in here. It's going to get you about a teaspoon, basically. Teaspoon of honey. Just eyeball it. That seems like it's about perfect. And then we're going to mix this up really, really well. There's one other thing that I'm going to put in this that I don't have here because I'm going to wait until I see how this looks. Is a splash of water. That will help hydrate all the spices and everything because the oil doesn't necessarily do that. Then there's not enough lime juice. So a little bit of water will help. Yeah, just get a little splash. Hold on. How much? Just maybe half a teaspoon of water. That will hydrate this beautifully because we're using dry spices. So they do take a minute, which is why this is going to sit here on the counter while we prep other things for about 20 minutes. All right, it's been a few minutes and we have our shrimp prepped. Now these were raw frozen shrimp. I just put them in a Ziploc bag, put them in some cold water. They thawed in about 5 minutes basically. Then you easy peel and just you know, pop the shells off, pop the tails off. Is there a video of that here? You just pop the tail, the whole thing comes off, in case you're new to shrimp. This has been here a few minutes. As you can see, it's nice and lovely. Oh, it's gonna be good. All right, so how many shrimp are in this? You get 6 shrimp to a taco and about 8 to a burrito, as I recall. That's the legend and the lore. So since we're making both, we got a few here. A couple extra, you know, chef's prerogative, you never know. All right, This is perfect. These are going to sit in the fridge for about 5 minutes. They got lime juice in there. You don't want to cook these. 5 minutes max. And then we're going to the stove and we're cooking this, and then we're making some tacos. Yes! Alright, cooking shrimp is pretty easy. I have a pan here. This is a wok that I've had for about 30 years probably. It's a Circulon non-sticky sort of thing. It is awesome. It's great for stuff like this. Just put the shrimp in. It takes about 1.5 minutes. And be careful, by the way, that marinade has a little bit of spice on it. So when it hits that pan, whoo, it's going to give off a smell that's going to choke you up a little bit, shall we say. But yeah, just cook these about 1.5 minutes aside. Make sure they're nice and done. You don't want raw shrimp, but you don't want to overcook them. So, you know, just do it perfectly and it should be fine. That's it. Just get them in a bowl and let's make some tacos and a burrito. By the way, the sweetness and the heat of this is so perfect. It's amazing. Seriously. All right, everything is cooked. Everything's ready to go. Everything's made. You've seen all the steps. Now all we have to do is put it together and make funny hand gestures. We have the shell for the soft taco. This is a 6-inch tortilla right here, flour. That is going to make our soft taco. And we have a 10-inch burrito size thing here because we're making the burrito too. They had both items. The taco came out first. It was such a hit. Brought it back next year. Added the burrito. So can't do it without the burrito. We are just going to get rid of that. Go with tongs. These are a little messy. They're supposed to be messy because they're delicious. The legend was that you got 6 of these 3140. Did I mention that earlier? They're 3140 shrimps. 2, 3, 4. If you got 6 in there, it's a miracle. Maybe they were a little smaller. Maybe the 5160s. I don't know. Those would be really small. But there, I'll put 6 in there. I'll do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't argue with math. Okay. Now, sauce. Avocado Ranch. I've already done this video. There's a link. I guess I don't have to move. There's a link right up above my head where I did all the Taco Bell sauces. This is one of my favorites. This is amazing. This is the sauce that is on the Cantina Chicken Soft Tacos and the burrito. Oh, yeah. That's going on. Yeah, it is. That's what's going on. Yeah, so we have some shredded lettuce here. This is just some iceberg. Put a fine little chop on it, a little chiffonade, if you will. Perfect. There you go. And we have some of our Fiesta Salsa. This is a wonderful, lovely, fresh item. Kind of from their wanting to be healthier days. Now, I don't know what they're doing. I don't know what we call this era. Anybody in the comments want to suggest a name for this era of Taco Bell? Yeah, fine. Go ahead. There is a Pacific shrimp taco. It looks absolutely amazing. It's delicious. It's incredible. Look at that. Look at how cool that is. All right. Moving on to the burrito. Because, come on, burrito time. Are there a couple extra shrimps? Yes. So this was supposed to get, I think, 8, it said. Something like that. That's 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. Does that seem like enough shrimp in there? Because I got 3 extras. All right, so I got a few extras. Whoa, no, but yeah, look at how beautiful this marinade is. When you cook this, do not cook it to the point where the marinade disappears because you want this juiciness. You want it all. Trust me, you want it. All right. We have our Avocado Ranch going down. Don't skip on the ranch. All right, we got a little bit more lettuce going on this guy right here. Because that's what they did. We have our Fiesta Salsa. Oh, it's so festive. I feel festive. Do you? Bunch of that. And because it's a burrito, you have to put some cheese. So this is a cheddar Monterey Jack blend that I grind up with those little hand rotary grinder things with the fine, small little shredder. And I'm realizing I've gone crazy. Good news is this is a one-ended burrito. Bad news is that's not gonna help me. Let me move some stuff. The one thing is, come on, it's shrimp tacos. You gotta have a squeeze of lime, right? So we are just gonna squeeze a little bit there. I'm gonna squeeze a little bit here because you're not gonna be able to do that in a minute. So that's why that is going down. Take this one end. These were heated up. The tortillas were heated on the comal because cold tortillas suck. Don't do that. Nobody likes that. Yeah, I built this thing big. Come on, look at me. Did you think I was going to skimp? No, of course not. All right, she is a beaut. She lost a few things. Hey, haven't we all? You know, a couple pieces of tomato, your marbles. It happens to the best of us, right? Okay, that right there is the Pacific shrimp burrito. Yes, you gotta roll the R's when you say it, and it really helps it. Burrito. Okay, it was terrible, but come on, this thing is amazing. It's gonna look amazing for about 4 more seconds, so I better get the thumbnails in. All right, folks, I am back after all of that. That was so quick, wasn't it? You didn't even notice. Blink, and it was over with. Come on. Don't you wish going to the doctor was like that? You're like, hey, now we're going to take blood. What? Did you already do it? Oh, my God. It'd be great. But the burrito can be, because this is pretty simple to make. You saw how I did this. It's so easy. Well, I'm biting a burrito. Yeah, come on. All right, see how this tastes. I've never had one of these, so this is the first time for me, too. Let's see. It's going to be great, though. Oh my God. Oh, it's terrible. Oh, ew. I'm kidding. Oh my God. Seriously, that is pure heaven. Oh, I'm gonna have to wrap this up because this thing's about to be nothing in about 4 seconds. This may be one of the best shrimp tacos. Burrito. See, my brain's scrambled. Best shrimp burritos of this kind of style that I've ever had. That sauce has got good spice on it, but it's sweet and it's got that little bit of citrusy thing in there too. It's juicy, it's delicious. The shrimp's cooked perfectly. Could you use bigger shrimp? Sure, why? This is fine. This works great. Let's get you good shrimp thing in there. I put the 3 extra, 11 shrimp in this. Oh, it's calling to me. I have to finish eating this. Am I going to bite the taco right now? This first. This dies first. Then. Ah, this is awesome. Thank you for watching this video. This was a lot of fun to make. Thank you to the comment section for bringing this one up, because this is, oh, they need to bring this back real bad, because this is amazing. They have all the stuff for this except the shrimp, so I don't know what they're waiting for. Maybe they're waiting for me to make this video. They were waiting for you to watch it, but we've all done that now. So Taco Bell, it's up to you. And if you want to see more videos like this, you got to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell thingy down there, and you'll know when the next video comes out. Because, ooh, I'm on a roll. I'm on a burrito. I'm on a burrito high. Speaking of high, it's time to say goodbye. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.